phone call to the courts.
Llysoedd Barn yr Wyddgrug, Mall Blow Courts. If you'd like to hear this message in Welsh, please press 1. If your call relates to a fine, a fee or maintenance payment, please call 01633 645 112. For Magistrates Court inquiries, please press 2. For Magistrates Court listing, please press
option 2.
Good morning, Mall Blow Court. Tina speaking.
Good morning. Who's speaking, please?
My name's Tina.
Tina. Hi, Tina. Hi, it's David Jones speaking.
Yes? How can I help?
I'd like to know the outcome of the case number 6011.
Bear with me for a moment. I need to get on the correct screen.
Hope you're having a good day.
So far?
Yeah, it gets like that, doesn't it?
Right, give me that case number again.
6011.
Yeah.
00.
Yeah.
200.
Yeah.
113.
Right, this was dealt with on the 7th of December last year.
There was an invitation to me, for me.
Sorry?
That was dealt with on the 7th of December.
Yes.
What did it say?
Let's make sure we got it. Was driving without due care and attention, is that correct?
Allegedly.
It was dismissed, no evidence offered.
It was the whole case was dismissed?
Yes.
Oh, could I have that in writing, please?
We don't do that, I'm afraid. It's the prosecution that's...
So there is no charge, there are no charges against me?
Well, the charge against you of driving without due care and attention was dismissed on the 7th of December.
Right, so it's been thrown out of court then?
Yeah, were you expecting something in the last week, sir?
I wasn't expecting you to say that, but thank you very much. So there's no warrants out for me because I entered no plea and I was conducting my own defence.
Yeah, it was first in court on the 9th of November.
Can you tell me a little more detail on this whole thing then, please?
I can't, I'm afraid, no, because all we get on the back of the file is prosecution have offered no evidence.
Right,
the
so they haven't got any.
That you need to get in touch
I challenged everything they said. Yeah, because they firstly invited me. I'll see their invite, their summons as an invite, which I can choose to turn down if I want to. So this is what happened. I turned down their first invite of November. Then they wanted me in to discuss a new hearing date for a bungled set of stuff they couldn't get sorted to start with. And then it tied into the council. The council now want a prejudicial bill from me right before the outcome of anything, love. So could you please inform the council to get off my back?
I'm sorry, we can't inform anybody of anything.
So, okay. How I need now then, because I was being billed for the bill now before the outcome of the case, £108, which I could easily pay, not a problem.
What?
Well, just to clean up the mess, and they sending me the bill to clean up the mess of a traffic accident. It wasn't even a crime, you know, that's not a crime in common law.
What you will need to do is you will need to get in touch with the prosecution service.
Yes.
Who should send you a letter to say that they have dismissed the case against you.
Right.
And then you can take that to the council.
And then I can take that to the council.
What they say about that.
Oh yes, we will certainly say what the council have got to say about that, because he's been torturing me. He's been putting me under a situation of tort for a long time by sending me prejudicial bills, so now I'll be looking for his job title and I'll be looking to prosecute him.
Well, that's your choice. I can't comment on that at all. All I can tell you is on the 7th of December, the case was dismissed, no evidence offered by the prosecution.
And by the police or anybody. So when I go to insure a car now today, like I want to, I don't mind at all sometimes contracting with the commercial world if I want to. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
If I'm using my legal fiction, right? If I'm using the legal fiction, sometimes I want a contract. So I need to contract today. So, okay, just 1 second. I'll just cut this call here just a second.